Installation video for our advanced tilt TV wall mount. Remove the decorative covers. Remove the covers from the interior of the horizontal rails by pushing the cover out from the back of the rail using the provided hex wrench. Assemble the wall plate. Attach the horizontal and vertical rails together using the provided bolts, then tighten the bolts until secure. Wood stud mounting option. Use a stud finder to locate the wall studs, then hold the assembled wall plate to the wall in the desired mounting location. Use the bubble level to ensure that the mount is level. Mark the center of the holes through the wall plate in the center of each stud. Remove the mount from the wall and drill holes in the 4 marked locations using a 3/16" drill bit to a depth of 2.2 inches. Secure the wall plate to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers, then tighten the screws until secure. Concrete or brick installation option. Hold the assembled wall plate to the wall in the desired mounting location. Use the bubble level to ensure that the mount is level. Mark the center of the holes through the wall plate in the locations shown here. Remove the mount from the wall and drill holes in the 6 marked locations using a 3/8" drill bit to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear dust or debris from the holes and insert the concrete anchors into all holes. Secure the wall plate to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers, then tighten the screws until secure. Reinstall the decorative covers. Press the decorative covers back into place in the center of the horizontal rails. Attach the VESA brackets to the TV. Select the appropriate size mounting bolt and washer for your display's mounting holes. Then attach the left and right VESA brackets to the TV as shown. Hang the TV on the wall mount as shown so that the top of the VESA brackets hook onto the top of the wall mount, then lower the bottom end of the TV down into place while pulling down on the release cord until it is in place. To remove the TV, pull the release cord down, then lift the TV up and away from the wall. If needed, loosen or tighten the bolts and nuts shown here to adjust the movement of the tilt function. To adjust the height or level of the screen, adjust the bolts on top of the brackets to raise and lower the screen. Adjust one side to change the level and adjust both sides evenly to change the height.